In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your current character private in PolyBuzz. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your character's visibility so your work stays just for you or your team. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz. This is just a quick way to get to the official site. When the results appear, click the official PolyBuzz website. Make sure you're on the real site before you continue, and wait a moment for the page to fully load so all dashboard elements display correctly. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Create Character and click it. Even though we're not making a new one right now, this takes you into the main character area, which is often the quickest route to your workspace. From here, you can access your existing characters without navigating through multiple menus. Next, locate your existing character. You should see a list or grid of character cards. If you have a lot of characters, scan the titles, thumbnails, or any tags you've used so you can quickly spot the right one. If there's a search box or filters available, use them to narrow things down. When you find the character you want to update, click Edit. This opens the character editor where all the settings and content live. Give the page a second to load. Larger characters with more assets can take a moment. Inside the editor, look for the Permissions area. Depending on your view, this might also be labeled Visibility or Access. It's typically found in a sidebar or settings panel, often alongside general details like the character's name and description. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the settings sections until you find it. In the Permissions section, choose Private. This setting ensures your character won't be publicly visible. Setting it to private generally means only you and anyone you've specifically granted access to within your workspace can view or edit it. This is ideal for drafts, client work, or anything you're not ready to share. Finally, click Save. This applies your privacy change and locks in the new setting. Wait for any confirmation message or checkmark to appear, which indicates the update has been recorded. If you leave without saving, your character may remain visible, so this step is important. That's all it takes. You went from the home page to the editor, switch the character to private, and save the change. If your interface looks slightly different, the labels will still be similar. Just follow the same path to permissions, set it to private, and save. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects secure while you create.